Hello, I want to present a Waterpick drainer. This is the printed piece. It's built for something like this Waterpick. It is a water flosser. It has the mouthpiece and the main chamber of the liquids and the motor. I usually put it upside down like this after use, and I put this over here and like this, so it can drain all the remaining liquid and get dry. The reason is because when it's used and it's filled with the water, the water tends to leak into the motor chamber and corrode it, and it may even stop working. So you have to open it and fix it, which is not very easy. Even after fixing it, still leakage of moisture can go inside and it may stop working every now and then. So the best thing is, I think, to drain it, and this kind of a saucer helps to do that. Inside this we have actually a metal screw which is sealed also from below, and the design for that part is in Thingiverse. Here is an open SCAD